my mom brought me some things, and yeah, I just want to show you guys because that woman, I miss her so much, and she takes care of me so much. So can you imagine? See the amount of crayfish she brought for me, just because, like, no reason at all. She just brought them. She went to the market and she just bought me things. Got me all of this tin tomato. I've never used this, today's tomato paste. But this is crayfish. I'll show you what this is later. She actually brought me a bunch of them. I love them. They're one of my favorite things to snack on. But let me open this. So what we have in here is like bonga fish and ibirare. It's like dried fish. I don't know if it's catfish actually, but we have bigger catfish, dried catfish here. She just got me things I will need for soup. And I'm so happy. I cannot believe I'm this excited over food stuff. It's so times have changed. The next thing she bought for me, because I really like this. This is like one of my favorite things that me and my mom share. She knows I like it and she likes it too. So this is called agidi, but most people in Nigeria also know it as eko, I think. Yeah, most people also know it as eko. I can also eat this with this. And yeah, so I just find it's much it goes better with this combination. So yeah, she brought this for me and she brought it in 2 bags. So yeah, I think I'll just call my mom and ask her how I should store this, because yeah, I don't want it to go bad. I think maybe I put it in a bowl or a tray and sun dry it. I don't know. Yeah.
Sure, Charlie Brown. I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Lights, please. shining with great joy.